Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have an interesting product. I have some Skilcraft 19.9% pine disinfectant detergent. Cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes. Bio-based, Ability 1. And here's the information on the back. This is created with pride by Americans who are blind, so that's a pretty cool product. Skilcraft is a registered trademark owned and licensed by National Industries for the Blind. So I've been using this a little bit on some different things and it's starting to grow on me. I would say that's not my favorite pine scent, but it's pretty darn good. Let's get started. Let's zoom in on the bucket of awesomeness. I'll do one capful like I always do. Generous capful, I should say, since it's a small cap. And look at that cloudage. Some people call it pine milk. That's pretty cool as well. Let's take a look at this wonderful goodness. That's what I'm talking about right there. And as usual, we'll go over the floor twice. Get the old mop soaked pretty thoroughly. Maybe there are some who like that sound. I don't know. But anyway, let's get to mopping. It's really not a bad smell. I still prefer the scent of pine sol, the kind with pine oil in it. And it's also a cool thing that it provides blind people a job. To make this stuff. So I would say, yeah, it's a good product. It's kind of humid this evening, so I'm going to have to turn that bedroom fan on so this will dry. Floor's not real dirty. We haven't had any rain or bad weather to track in any dirt, but it did pick up a little bit. I can tell the cloudy water is not quite as bright as it was. And here's a look at the after. There are some things floating around in there, so it did a pretty good job. And the water's not quite as bright as it was. So I'd say, yeah, this is a good product. I would use again. Once again, Skilcraft 19.9% pine disinfectant detergent. Thank you for watching.